crimping. A little soldered and heat shrink. Good grief, that took a while. Yeah, I took the switch line lock off of there, and got it put on the wheel over by the trans brake button. These cords are a little tight, so I'm gonna get them stretched out and get them curled up, kind of get some slack up and around the dash. And I'm gonna get this gauge moved up on the dash. I'm not real good with looking down like that. I want to look across the hood, keep my eyes that way. So that's gonna come up. Now, here's another look at the work. Oh man, that took a while. Anyway, that's done how I like it. Thanks.